celebrate and rekindle romance, then Love Month would definitely be it. And just recently, such what showbiz couple Aga and Charlene Gonzalez Mulas did, as they celebrated their endearing love story and marriage, epitomizing a romance that has been kept alive and vibrant through all these years. One of the biggest blessings that you can actually get is finding the right partner. And I'm just so fortunate that I met my husband, Aga, my partner, and it's one of the biggest blessings I have.
When I decided to marry her, that was like the best decision I ever made. There was never a time that I, even for a second, and I swear to God, really, and God, there was never a second that I doubted our marriage, or I doubted my decision. For that, I am so grateful.
And so, just like Aga and Charlene, celebrate the secret to a beautiful relationship and lasting romance this month of hearts.
Enjoy ko dun sa portion ni Kenny kanina. Nalito ako with Malina. Nasabi ko ay nag-propose yung guy dito noong August of 2008. No. He proposed February of 2008. Nag-asawa sila August 2008. So yun yung 888 na maswerte. All the while kasi ang alam nung babae, pagkukwentuhan lang yung naging experience nila. Love lover, yes. When they guested back in February of 2008, what she didn't know was that she was about to experience one of the sweetest and probably most momentous events in her life. Dito sa Sweet Life, naganap ang event na yon. Nag-propose sa kanya yung lalaki, friend niya, in the middle of the interview. Oo. So yun, no? Oo, naalala ko yun. No? So let's refresh our memories. Watch this.
Hindi ko pa siguro narinig sa akin o hindi pa naririnig ng mga tao na sasabihin ko sa'yo, pero hindi. I love you, will you be my girl forever?
Kailangan dumaan sa butas ng karayo. And they are back on the show. Please welcome Aya and John. Mukhang dumaan nga sa butas ng karayo. And then she's 4 months pregnant. Tanungin natin si John. Talaga bang dumaan ka sa butas ng karayo?
Siguro si Aya na lang magandang tanungin dyan.
Sige na nga, ikaw na nga, Aya. You're blooming. Maganda ka na buntis. No? Sagutin ko yung tanong ko. Actually, hindi.
Hindi.
Sinalo ko yung sinabi ni Wilma na go na wag nang patagalin. Huwag na masyadong kahirapan.
O, diba? Huwag nagbayo. Kaya salamat sa'yo. Sinunod ka niya.
So, you mean to say, after that proposal, plinano niyo na kaagad yung wedding? Hindi niyo na pinatagal?
Oo, pero syempre, lumutang muna siya ng ilang araw dahil nag-propose ako on national TV.
Oo. Message for each other.
Yes.
Message. Ito yung message ko. Working ko. And handwritten. Parang hindi ko siya makalimutan. Message ko sa kanya is, I really thank God for giving me this wonderful chance to marry you. Having you was the best thing that ever happened to me. We've been through a lot, and I hope, wish and pray that whatever happens, still the two of us will stay. You're a great man that I wish 30 will be like you. I know you will be a great dad to our child. You are my life, and if I will be given 1,000 chance to marry again, it would still be you. I love you. It's all. 1,000 chance. 1,000 chance. What about you?
Hindi ako nakapagsulat so impromptu na lang. Anyway, ang message ko sa'yo, Be, sana huwag ka magbago. Kahit pagod ka, nag-isa ka lang sa bahay, pag uwi ko galing sa work, talagang prepared lahat. Alam ko, hindi mo siya talaga usual na ginagawa, pero na-appreciate ko ito lahat. pagod ako sa work, pero pagdating ko, nawawala yan kasi andun ka lagi. Alam mo yun, saka masayahin kasi siyang tao. Kahit may problema yan, laging nakangiti. Yun ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi pagka halimbawa ako wala ako sa mood, dumarating kasi yun. Pag nakikita ko siya na masaya siya, parang wala lang. Okay,
Siya talaga, sunshine of your life.
Yes, totoo yun.
True to the color she's wearing. Thank you very much for being with us. Salamat. Ako. Have a safe and happy delivery.
Yes. Thank you.
Maraming wonders talaga ang nangyayari because of love. When we return, kakaibang wonders naman ang isi-share ko, some practical household tips using your microwave. Abangan nyo yan. And I will show you how to recycle all the greeting cards that you received over the past season, pati na yung mga Valentine's card na, alam mo yung mga hindi mo naman itatago kasi to from lang, so I'll show you a nice way to recycle that. Stay with us.